Kumariria family ya Agnes Wanjiru yanjiririe guthingata kihoto kia mwana wao uyu wahota gukorwo ari guondoria ugucokia mwihoko wao ari miaka 15 kumariria Wanjiru oragirwo uria wirikanaga gutabania ngero eno ari mubiraru na RAIYA kuma bururi wa NGERETHA. Muthe mucirithania wa Igoti INENE Alexander MUTETI akeneana marua ma mwikoirwo uyu AIKIO NGONO.
This court now grants the warrant of arrest as prayed. The court is satisfied that the bundle presented before it has reasonable details concerning the incident, and therefore there is probable cause to order the arrest of the accused and his surrender before this court for trial. The offense of murder in Kenya is an extraditable offense, and the same satisfies the requirements of dual criminality under Cap 77 of the laws of Kenya.
Mucirithania akinyanirie itua riri kurumirira na wira uria mwena wa thitango tengemanirie ugitariria mwikoirwo uyu ni arikitie kuhingurirwo thitango ya kuraga muiritu uyu. Ukiri uguo ona gutwika aira aingi cira-ini uyu mari bururi-ini wa NGERETHA, mwena wa thitango ni wiranire gutigirira ni monekana cira uyu wambiriria. Mucirithania MUTETI oho no athanite mothio na maritwa ma mwikoirwo na aira cira-ini uyu matigacabithio niguo kugitira uma na waragania mutaratara-ini uyu.
So you can do your story, but please omit names of the suspect, and certainly I don't believe you have any problem with the names of the deceased being published. It's in the public interest also for them to know that there is action that is being taken.
Yes, on the 21st of October. That is what
Please seek mention. 21st?
Yes, 21st of October.
That will be what day of the week?
Tuesday.
Okay. That's okay.
Agnes oragirwo mweri-ini wa gatatu mwaka-ini wa 2012 mukawa-ini wa Lions Court Lodge NANYUKI, na mwiri wake wonekanire itangi-ini ria mai ma giko hakuhi mieri 3 thutha ucio.